Hello guys, today we prepare a KVASS, a traditional Russian wine, because about one follower asked me. You can make this wine using different fruits, different vegetables, but you can discover what I use after the intro. Hello guys, today we prepare a kvass that is called kvass beer or kvass wine. I hope that the pronunciation is right. Is a fermented beverage or fermented drink that is made with bread. Usually they use the black bread or the brown bread. I will use all grain bread. So you need 3 slices of bread that you should toast very well. You can use the pan or the toaster, like I will use it. 4.5 liters of water, 400 grams of sugar. I will use 350 grams of white sugar and 50 grams of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of raisin. After, you can add what you like it. They use the different fruits, some vegetables, it's up to you. They follow the season. If it's the season of strawberry, they can use the strawberry. In my case, I will use 1 beet and 1 piece of ginger. I choose the beet not because I like it, but for the color. So now we can put the beet, that we will cut it, the ginger, and the raisin in the water, and we put the pot on the stove. During this time, when the water is going on with the temperature, we can toast our bread. When the water starts boiling, we can add the bread, the sugar, stir a little bit, and close with the lid. Tomorrow morning, when our liquid, our future beer or wine, have reached the room temperature, so more or less 25 degrees, we can put in a fermenter. They use different way, but I will do like a normal beer. So in the fermenter with the yeast. So you need also 1 teaspoon of yeast. They using also the normal dry yeast that you can use to make the bread, but I will use the home brew yeast, the one that we can use to home brew the beer that I already collect for another beer that I have already made. Good morning. Now our future beer or wine have reached the room temperature, or more or less 25 Celsius degree. Our yeast the same. If not, you can use a new dry yeast. So now we remove the bread and also the other stuff, and we'll put the wine in the fermenter. After we add the yeast, we close with the airlock, and we should wait maybe 6 hours, 10, 12 hours that the fermentation starts. So see you more or less in 10 hours. After 8 hours the fermentation starts. You can see this from the airlock and from a little bit of foam that start to grow on the surface of our wine. For sure in 24 hours the fermentation will be very strong. After 24 hours the fermentation is running fast, you can see from the airlock and also from the wine that is no more transparent. So see you at the end of the fermentation to put the wine in the bottle. After 5 days the fermentation is done. Also, if now I put in the wine in the bottle after more than 1 week. Sorry, but before I have no time to record the video. So now we remove the airlock. I put the sugar in the bottle, 5 grams each half liter of wine. But first I will take a little bit of wine to check the final gravity to know the alcohol content. If you want, you can keep the yeast for another fermentation, but I recommend you to check the taste of the wine first. Because in this wine there is the beet, so I don't know if the taste will be good or not. If you don't like, after that you have tasted the wine, you can throw away the yeast and use the new one. With this ingredient we get 3 liters and a half, 4 liters of wine. Now let's check the alcohol content. The final gravity is 996. The initial gravity was 1026. So we do 1026 less 996, we get 30. We divide the 30 with 7.5 and we get 4% of alcohol content plus 0.5% because the wine will ferment again in the bottle. Very good and very sparkling. Again the lid fly away. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like and to watch all the other videos. If you like the beet, will be perfect, the root beet. If not, you can put some fruits like the apple, the pear, the berries. It's up to you. If you have some requests like barabao, please let me know. I will try to make you happy. Bye bye.